fall has arrived on the Hardanger Plateau in Norway, and the fall is a master of playing with the colors of the nature. Within a time frame of just a few weeks, the nature turns really colorful. You can see all kinds of colors. This marks the transition from the green colors in the summer to the fall's dark brown. The birds are also preparing for the cold season, eating as much as they can. Usually we only have a few visitors at the same time, but this day was crowded. In the woods we see the same color play as on the top of the mountains. The river is only filled with water in the tourist season. In the middle of September, the river is shut down and all the water is led into the water reservoir to be used for electric power production.